In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in and out in Microsoft Outlook. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to follow this instruction step by step. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. The first thing you need to do is to make sure you are in sending a mail. After that, just click on Format Text. This way you can go ahead to the right side. So you can access zoom in and zoom out by clicking on this. You can choose to zoom out by 75% or to zoom in 200%. Just click on OK and you should be good to go. So this was how to zoom in and out in Microsoft Outlook. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.